Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we dive into a common problem many people face when dealing with Windows file history. The problem lies in the misconception that file history saves multiple versions of a file every time it's changed. But in reality, it's more of a scheduled backup tool rather than a robust versioning system. So if you edit a file multiple times in a short span, file history will only keep the final edited version before the backup kicks in. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. Windows Resilient FS, ReFS, does support file-level snapshots, which is a step towards proper file history and versioning. However, it functions more like the Volume Shadow Copy Service, VSS, than traditional file versioning. VSS operates at the block level, while ReFS's snapshot functionality operates within the file system itself. This distinction allows for more efficient and faster snapshots with selective snapshotting capabilities. In essence, while full file versioning directly within the file system isn't a standard feature in most operating systems like Windows, it could potentially be integrated as part of a larger implementation. Systems like Files 11 and Fossil have showcased file versioning capabilities, but they are not commonly used due to limited demand. However, modern file systems like ReFS, ZFS, BTRFS, and APFS leverage copy-on-write semantics for efficient snapshotting and versioning, making them valuable tools for data management. In conclusion, understanding the nuances of file history and versioning in different systems can greatly impact how we manage and preserve our data. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.